Hi everyone, and happy December 12th of your holiday hustle, aka day 12 if you're doing this not in December. And I forgot to move my bike for filming, but that's okay. It's gonna be in our video today. All right, 5 minutes on the clock. We start lying down on our backs in 3, 2, 1. All right, oh, big knee crack. Full sit up. You guys are gonna reach all the way up. Good, squeeze and pull, lat pull down. Hold that squeeze as you reach and lower. Good, full sit up. Exhale, squeeze the back muscles all the way. Good. Inhale, sit up. Exhale, squeeze, lower, lower, lower. Good. Inhale, sit up. Exhale, squeeze. Hold that, and then lower, lower, lower. 2 more. Sit up. Ooh, squeeze. Lower, lower, lower. 1 more. Sit up. Squeeze. And lower, lower, lower. Beautiful. Bring those knees to 90 degrees for me. Bring your arms to a T. All right. You may not be able to see my extended arm, but you're just going to take your knees to the right. Pause. Bring your knees through center. Bring them to the left. Pause. Good. Center. Right. I got the window open behind us, so we got my magic curtain flying. And then left. Good. Go to the right. Nice. Bring it through center. Go to the left. You should feel your obliques. You're stabilizing with your lower back and both of your palms. Go to the right. Good. Last time we go to the left. Now, go to the right. You're going to keep your knees stacked on top of each other. So bump your booty, stack your knees like a spinal twist. Place your hands behind your head. Crunch. 2, 3, 4. Working into those obliques. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. Hold it up. Pulse it. 2, 3, pulse it. Come on, lift, lift. That means stay lifted, small movement. Good. Final 4, 3, 2, 1. We rotate as the head comes down. We pop our hips up. We pop them over, kind of like that spinal twist. Knees are stacked, and we crunch. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. My abs are sore. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reach. We pulse. Pulse. Good. Tiny movements. Up. Good. Final 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, lay on your back. Take your knees, open them to the sides. Good. Hands behind your head. You're going to crunch, reach, lower, down. Crunch, reach, lower, down. Crunch, reach, lower. 2 more. Up, reach, lower, down, up, reach, lower. Hands come down, feet come up to hover. Good. So abs fire right now. 4. Come on, hold this. 3, 2, inner thighs. 1, drop your feet. All right, again, we lift our feet. Ready, set, hover. 4, lift your head if you want. Reach forward if you want more. My feet are pressing together. My abs are starting to fire. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bring the feet down, hands behind your head. Pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5. Knees are open. Good. Keep going. Final 4, 3, 2. Now full bound angle sit-ups, okay? So feet stay here. You come up. Good. You come up. So it's a different way of training the core. We're getting the hips out of the way. We're forcing the abdominals to do that full sit-up. And you'll notice I have that hesitation too right here where my body kind of says, hey, what's happening? This is hard, all right? So you might notice that too. You've got 3. You might not be able to even sit all the way up, and that's also okay. 2. 1 more rep, guys. Up, up, up. 1. Good. Flip over to your hands and your knees. 30 seconds of bear crawls. Go. Crawl. Good. Backwards crawl. Nice. Less than 30 seconds of bear crawls. Forward crawl. Oh, yes.
Backward scrawl. Come on. We're working. We're doing it. Maybe you hit repeat on this video so you do 10 minutes for your core today. Whatever you can get through with this holiday hustle. Come on, team. That's it. We're almost there. Keep moving till our timer hits. Done. Nice work. Way to finish strong in that bear crawl, to push through with a little bit different stuff on our back today. I'll see you tomorrow for more core.